Fidget's Bricks here, and I'm going to be giving a tour of my Lego City. We'll start here at my residential district, where I have some houses and cars. It's a custom mock of a modern house, family house, little shopping area with all kinds of shops and places to eat. I have a postal station there, some food trucks, food stands, bike shop, and a mansion. Moving on, went to the downtown portion. We have my police station and fire station, my garage, and my dealership mock. Construction yard down that way. Let's move on to my mountain area where I have my castles. Medieval Blacksmith, Kingdom's Castle, Lion Castle. There's the front of him. Little battle scene going on there. Robin Hood up on the roof. Then we move on to my Arctic layout. A bunch of old and new Arctic sets combined. And we get to the entrance, the highway. Welcome to New Fidget City. That is the name of my Lego City. Little forest area. Gas station with some criminals meeting up and the military showing up. My coffee shop mock. Giant Lego minifigure. And we move on to the airport runway. Unfinished airport. I'm still working on that. There'll be a video out soon of me probably working on that. Runway. VIP jet on it. We have a little jet. Here's another angle of the airport. Some trains, cars I don't have room for. And we have the little roundabout for the airport. Vesta's wind turbine. And there's more of the highway. Here's a better look at the construction yard. Looks like someone got hurt. There's the back of the dealership with a bionicle dragon my friend made for me. And I have Assembly Square and the corner garage. There's my hospital and some townhouses. We'll take a look at those in a little bit. In front of my garage, a small street leading to the cargo station. Then we come down to the beach. Snazzy little place, I must say so myself. Right there, guy taking a selfie. The marina. I move on to the fishing village I've made. It's a custom mock. Castaway guy. Fireboat. Lighthouse. The harbor. Some more boats and stuff. Miscellaneous around. And there is my custom townhouse with my sig fig up top. There's another townhouse next to it I've made. Hospital. And this will soon be a mall / skyscraper. There's the sign for my city. Welcome to New Fidget City with a bunch of characters on it. Here is all my boxes for sets I have obtained over the years. And here's my display, all my things on my shelf. Some collectible minifigures. It's a Minecraft set. All the old F1 rocket base. Good old times. Double decker couch. Hobbit hole. Star Wars minifigure. 10th grade structure. And Lake Town. Moving up here, we have some non-Lego items. I thought they're cool, so I displayed them. We have Capitol Building, Lincoln Memorial, Washington Monument, and the White House. With some more non-Lego stuff. Lego Ferrari, and my battleship. Moving on, we have Star Wars set, a few promos, and random things. And the Queen Anne's Revenge complete set. Beautiful ship. And the Black Pearl, which is incomplete, I have to find some sales for. But a beautiful set indeed it is. That is all for my LEGO City. I hope you enjoy. Till next time. Bye bye.